Welcome to BCED Online 2020. Today we'll be making a Marshmallow Catapult. You will need marshmallows, about 10 popsicle sticks, and 3 rubber bands. First, you'll stack 8 of the popsicle sticks and tie them together with a rubber band on each end. Then, you'll take one of the other sticks and slide it in the middle between the stick on the bottom and the rest of the stack, about 1/3 of the way through. You'll take the last stick and rest it on top of the stack, aligned with the previous stick, and you'll tie them together on the short end with a rubber band. Rest your catapult on the table, hold it steady, and launch. Thanks for watching!